Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video with me. So it's your girl Mima Prince. For those of you that are new here, my name is Mima Prince, and for my returning subscribers, thanks for always coming back. I love you so much. Mwah. So today I'm going to be showing you how I get rid of my dandruff. Yeah, a baby girl has dandruff. If you've seen my previous video, I talk about it a lot. I have dandruff, so I'm going to be getting rid of my dandruff today, and also I'm going to be doing a hot oil treatment. Yeah, it's been long. Let's pamper my hair a bit. It's been long I actually did a hot oil treatment, so today I'm going to be pampering my hair, and I'm going to be bringing you alongside with me and show you the process. So let's get over to how I make my solution for my hair. So this is what I'm going to be using to make my dandruff solution stroke hot oil treatment. I have 2 lemons there, my black castor oil, my apple cider vinegar, which is used to balance the pH of the hair, my Goya oil, which is also known as the olive oil, and my tea tree oil in mint flavor. So these are the things I'm going to be using to make my hair solution. So firstly, I get a small bowl and I squeeze in the lemon juice into this bowl. So after squeezing my lemon juice, I go in with my apple cider vinegar and pour in 2 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar into my lemon juice. Then next is my Goya oil. I take same tablespoons and pour in 4 tablespoons of olive oil into the same solution. Then I go in with my tea tree essential oil and put as many drops as I want. I didn't count the drops, I just kept on dropping it in till I was satisfied. And then the next is my castor oil. I went in and poured 2 tablespoons of my castor oil into the solution. So that was all the oils I needed for this mixture. So I'm going to go ahead to mix it up together, and then I will be taking it into my hot water pot. So here, as you can see, the water is done boiling and my oil is ready to be used. It's very hot. So I'll take in my applicator bottles. I'm going to be using 2 applicator bottles because 1 wasn't enough. I'll go in with my applicator bottles and pour in the oil into the bottles, and then it's ready for use. It's that simple. You can try this if you have dandruff or dry scalp or dry hair. You can do it either you're natural or you're permed. You can do it on any hair type and any hair texture. So yeah, we have our hot oil stroke dandruff solution right here. So it's very hot, that's why it's called a hot oil treatment. And I have low porosity hair, and it's best to use a hot oil, like a realistic hot oil on your hair, so that it can penetrate into your strands and do the work. So you also, the oils I have in here, so no long talk, let's just get right into applying it into my hair. I'll make sure So guys, I really need to show you what my hair looks like with the dandruff, because I don't know if you can see it, but my hair is flaking as I'm taking off my braid. My hair is flaking. Okay, let's come a little bit closer. Can you see? So that is what I'm dealing with. That's what I've been dealing with. And today we're gonna get rid of them. So no cause for alarm. I'm gonna get rid of all of them today. And my hair is so freaking dried. Anyway, I'm back to taking care of my hair, so it's not gonna get dry anymore. Yeah, my hair is gonna be moisturized. Darkness in your heart. Trust you more than anyone I have met before. So I'm done taking off the braid and I just put them in twists. So I'm going to be working with this section first. You can see the flake and it's falling down. The dandruff is actually falling down. So firstly, I'm going to be applying water on the section I want to work with. Oh my god. Oh my god. The water is falling off my hair. That's low porosity hair for you. The water is actually falling off my hair. When I'm with you, I know I'm safe beside your arm. I'll make sure that you won't ever feel lonely no more. Whatever past we have, the future we will see. I'll be here until the day that you leave me. Can I dive deep into the darkness in your heart? Trust you more than anyone I have met before. Don't care who you are or who you want to be. I'll be here until the day that you leave me. When I'm with you, I know I'm safe beside your arm. I'll make sure that you won't ever feel lonely no more. Whatever past we have, the future we will see. I'll be here until the day that you
you more than anyone I have met before. Don't care who you are or who you want to be. I'll be here until the day that you leave me.
Okay guys, it's past 1 hour, and guys, my hair is on fire. When I say my hair is on fire, my hair is itching, my scalp is burning. It's itching me so badly. I don't know why. Well, I just feel like the reaction is taking place. Maybe the dandruff and the oil and the itchy, I don't know. But one thing I know for sure is that oil can itch your scalp. That's one thing I know for sure. Too much of oil can itch your scalp. So I'm just gonna rinse off this oil with warm water, and then I'll go in with my shampoo, and then I'm going to deep condition my hair, and you see as it goes by. Let's just get into the shower.
Future we will see. I'll be here until the day that you leave me. Can I dive deep into the darkness in your heart? Trust you more than anyone I have met before. Don't care who you are or who you want to be. I'll be here until the day that you leave me. you more than anyone I have met before. Don't care who you are or who you want to be. I'll be here